Hey guys, good afternoon. This is Joey down at Truck Market in Memphis. I hope you're doing well. I've got a 2018 Pete 389 78-inch stand-up sleeper glider kit to show you today. It's got a pre-E-log 12.7 liter Detroit 13 speed, 195,000 original miles. Probably the nicest truck that we've got on the yard today. Interior, exterior, underneath the hood, frame rails, tires. Everything's extremely nice. I've gotten it hot today for you, so I'm going to do a full walk around, showing you oil pressure, blow by, just show you everything that we got. Let's get started. Pressure is fantastic on the low side. It jumped up there, very nice. Platinum interior, matching leather seats. This one was hauling a drive-in. We bought both of them, so owner operator, just getting out of it. Love the color on this one too. I don't know if it'll show up in the video, but it's just got a metallic flake in it. Pretty neat. Excellent rubber brakes. Like I said before, can't really pinpoint anything that you don't love about this truck. Hopefully you've liked everything you've seen here. If you've got questions, you can always call me at 901-896-4526. You can also email me to joey@truckmarket.com. Thanks for watching.